Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a 2-in-1 video for you guys showing you MAKARTT's all-nighter collection and also their newest collection, which just dropped tonight. I am so excited to show you guys everything in this video. So yeah, this is the all-nighter collection. When I first saw it, I knew I had to show it to you guys. It is so cute. Absolutely, hands down, my favorite one that MAKARTT and Awesome Colors have come out together. Those cute stickers, I just love it. Like, so you can get either or this all-in-one kit that it comes in. It comes with a top and base coat, 2 colors, a lamp, the full cover nails, a buffer, some glue, and the stickers for your adhesive. And it's just really cute and really cool if you want to get into gel polish. You kind of have everything that you need to do a full set of nails. And then, you know, this cute little lamp, it's only 5 watt, but it does the job. And I've talked about MAKARTT's glue in the past. It is very, very strong. So that's the all-in-one collection. And then here is the 6-color gel polish collection. And these colors are to die for. I used Cosmopolitan on my nails today. I just did it really simple and I painted my nails all one color, the Cosmopolitan, using my MAKARTT full cover square nails. You can use my code SLAYBYJ. You'll save yourself 15% off on MAKARTT. But once I got all my full cover nails on, I'm just taking this beautiful color and I'm doing like about 3 coats. I think it came out to 3 coats. You can do 1 coat if you want it more sheer or build it up. It's totally your preference, but this color just spoke to me. It was so cute, and I thought it kind of led in nicely to MAKARTT's new collection, which you guys are going to absolutely die and fall in love with. So here's just that color. I just, took some fun videos and some fun pictures to show you guys some swatches because it was just so cute. So after that, we're going to get into this new one, and I'm just honored. Can I just say I'm honored that MAKARTT, picked me as to be one of the people to promote this product because it is so awesome. You guys are going to love it. MAKARTT told me this is one of their most popular collections, one of their biggest collections coming out this year, so it's a really, really big deal, and I know all my nail lovers are absolutely going to love it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this. It does drop tonight at midnight. You can use my code SLAYBYJ. You'll save 15% off. So here we are. So MAKARTT released their nail decor collection, you guys. So in this whole collection, we're going to get 5 nail art decors, 3 different rhinestones, and then also 3 different nail sequins. And we will dive into everything. I'll show you guys. We're going to start with the nail sequins because they're just, I don't know, the packaging spoke to me. Everything about this spoke to me. Look how cute this packaging is. I think this was such a good idea of them. So if you flip it over, you read the directions. In these kits actually comes this new product that I've never seen before. So we're going to get a glimpse of the glitters. And these glitters, I've never seen anything like them before. They were almost like had a wet texture to it. It's not like dry glitter you see all over the place. It's almost wet, and I can't wait to work with it. So it came with this stuff called gel glue, and if you read the back of the directions, it almost sounds like we're going to encapsulate the nail with that gel glue. So the directions tell you to put base coat all over all of your nails, then go in with your sequence, cure it, then you're going to go in with that glue, that gel glue that they gave us, and you're going to apply that on top of the sequence and cure that. So you're kind of doing your own little encapsulation, which I think is so cool. Instead of using clear polygel, they gave us this new glue consistency product, which I can't wait to try out. I didn't use it today, but I'm going to soon. So as you first saw, we have the Halloween ones. They're so awesome. We have the star ones and the heart ones. Absolutely gorgeous. I have a feeling MAKARTT's going to do themed with these nail decor kits, and I'm here for it. So now we have the actual nail decor charm kits, and each of these come with a set of stickers. There's 3 sheets of stickers in each pack, and then you get 12 different nail decor sequins in each one. They are all kind of, they go together. They're kind of themed a little bit. They all go together and they vibe well. This one has the foil and a bunch of different bows. They're 3D bow charms, different colors. They're so cute. This one was my favorite one. I'm a sucker for blue. We get these really cool stars, and here are the blue charms. So some of these nail decor kits, they do come with glitter in them. I would say 4 of them are usually glitter. The other 8 are charms, and I just love it. One, you know, some of them come with one big one. Some of them come with a ton of little ones. Just, I can't even explain to you because they're all so unique and so cool. These stickers are fire. I can't wait to use those. And this right here, you guys, is screaming fall. Just the possibilities are endless. And now they're catering to people to buy nail art decor. And I think that is just, I don't know, it's a great idea. And this set right here, I lied. The blue isn't my favorite. This one was my favorite. I have literally been looking for pearls and stuff to do nails with because the set I did today, I had this vision in my head of this set I wanted to do. And when I opened this kit up, I was just like, MAKARTT, you were reading my mind because I literally needed all this stuff to do the nails I had. So this one is so cute. A lot of red, pink, great for Valentine's Day. Great for literally anything that involves red nails. And now we're going to jump into the rhinestone decor. So these little kits are so cute because they come with a pencil, a white pencil, which is used obviously to pick up all your bling. It's just like a nice little extra thing. It's the little things that matter. And we get this little note from MAKARTT and the rhinestones. These ones were multicolored and they had different sizes in each one. There was probably like 4 different sizes in each one. Which is really nice. But yeah, some of these colors were just beautiful. Like they looked like Swarovski. They sparkle, they shine. They're very, very good quality rhinestones. And as you can see, the little pencil comes in each of them, makes it easy to sharp if you need to. And yeah, so we have that multicolor one. Here is the all silver one. So cute, all different sizes. And then we have the rainbow. I call these ones rainbow. I don't really know the other like name to call them, but they're like the holographic ones, you know. And yeah, they're just great quality. I have actually gotten some of MAKARTT's rhinestones in their other kits, and I still have my same one from my pink kit because I just have used it forever. It's lasted so long. So as you guys saw earlier, I painted my nails with the Cosmopolitan, and now I'm just taking these rose stickers that came in one of the decor kits, and I'm applying them all over the nails. And as you can see, it came with 2 sheets of white ones too. After the stickers are all done, I'm going to apply top coat on all of the nails, and then I'm going to go in with my decor. The top coat wasn't like working really good for these bigger charms, so I took my Beetles UV LED rhinestone glue, and I'm just like putting this stuff all over the place. I love pearls, and I don't know, this was just speaking to me. It kind of came out chunky, a little bit gaudy, but you guys, I'm not even lying when I tell you I've got 10 people's compliments today on these nails. I've been able to plug my YouTube channel like 10 times today because everyone's like, oh, your nails, and I'm like, yeah, I did that myself. Yeah, so that's pretty much it, you guys. Like, this set was really cute, really easy. This video is short but simple. I am just, like I said earlier, thank you so much, MAKARTT, for thinking of me and trusting me to review these products for you guys. These nails are hands down my favorite nails I've ever done. I just love them. They're so cute. If you guys want to recreate this look, you absolutely can by going on to www.makartt.com and purchasing their nail art decor using my code SLAYBYJ will save you 15% off. Same with the EU, the AU, and the UK. All those places you can use my code as well. Be sure to let me know down in the comments if you guys like these nails and if you'll be picking up any nail art decor kits for yourself. Mwah. I love you guys. Bye.